Hey.
How's your morning coffee? Right?
My morning coffee is delicious. First, I want to say welcome to Capital Shine. This is Rob with Capital Shine. And I want you to kind of see a typical day at Capital Shine and meet all the people here and all the type of work we do. We mainly focus on film, coating, and how it protects your vehicle. So come on, let's follow me. Tint board where we cut out tint to perfection, then we apply it to vehicles. As you can see, we have here a Mazda getting a full tint package all around. Mazda 3 Sky Active. Over here we have an X-Drive 740i. That is our tint specialist, Herschel Hager. He's the best in the business. So over here is our detail section. They work very hard to make sure that our cars that we receive are very clean, going into all the cracks and crevices and making sure that the detailing is closest to perfection as possible. So we'll walk through here. This is one of our employees' vehicles, and he wants to make it look nice for his woman. She's going to be borrowing the car for the next few weeks. And this is Ingrid. Ingrid is one of our best detailers. She doesn't say much, but she gets it done. And over here, we are working on a vehicle. The EQF is a brand new Mercedes. It's an electric version of the Mercedes. Then we have Maida over there, so she's also perfecting it out, making it look good, working very hard. This is the Kia EV9. This is a full paint protection wrap. It's basically Xpel stealth wrap on top of satin paint. So you don't even notice the difference, but this self-heals and it self-cleans as well. We're about to ceramic coat it. We're getting it ready for a ceramic coating, but everything has been wrapped in actual paint protection film, and it looks amazing. All your gloss, all your satin, everything is wrapped, and we're about to get coated. Come over this way. We're about to meet Kimberly. Kimberly, she's very shy, but also very beautiful and great at her job. Here she is. Hola, Kimberly, ¿cómo estás? ¿Quiere decir algo en la cámara? She doesn't have a lot to say, but the work has a lot to say. Her work speaks for itself, basically. And that is our detailing section at Capital Shine. As you see, we're very busy today. It's our typical Friday. Thank you. Until next time.
He gonna start laughing.
Right, like, come on.
Okay, so this is the real side of Capital Shine. We have a lot of
told my
fun here.
cousins that last
And Kimberly is a very funny person, naturally. And I encourage her to go into
I'm trying to get invited to the Vatican. He's inviting people there to spread comedy and laughter and something. I saw it. Thanks, he invited Whoopi Goldberg and 15 other comedians.
I really believe she's correct, although I would not verify this information. We do appreciate all her commentary, though. This is Capital Shine. We're located in the DMV, our nation's capital, the DC area. If you like our videos, please like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you.